It's a summer vacation. So many different opportunities. You got swimming, you got spiders. Oh wait, you don't know that. Yeah, if you've seen episode 1, maybe seen episode 2, then you know by me, then I'm going crazy for all this thing. Yeah, you think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Download this game. Like and subscribe, or else I know what you would get out of my life. Okay.
Pew! Episode 2, Attack on Zombies. Wow, man.
I can't believe there's gonna be a zombie apocalypse.
I know, bro.
Yeah, yesterday was pretty scary. Like Ogre killed our friends.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
I'm glad you're.
I think we.
Yeah, at least we got a new friend.
We have enough
Alert!
weapons.
Zombie
You think we have enough
apocalypse.
weapons?
A zombie apocalypse. What? Yeah, I think we do.
Oh, let's press the daily button.
Yeah, daily button.
It should start anytime soon, but let's just press the daily button. Okay, it started. Let's do this.
I need to reload, Kelvin. I need to reload. Stab.
With what?
My revolver.
Take this.
Oh crap! Okay. Whoa, guys, look at the zombies.
This is
Guys,
just
they're
like
all different colors.
They are.
Guys, I got a backpack for whoever wants it.
Another. Here. Okay, can I have a
Yeah, give me a
reload?
revolver.
I did.
Okay, I'm gonna reload this for you. Take it.
Oh my gosh! Look at that humongous one.
Killed him.
Here.
Man, first company news, run. Ever since Animal Company News said that there was a spider in mines, ever since the Animal Company News said there was a spider in mines, it's just been wild.
Yeah, yeah, it was crazy, right?
Guys, can y'all kill the monsters on that side?
Awesome.
They're coming through the wall.
Yeah,
I can't believe.
Jackson.
I need a.
Can you kill the monsters on that wall? They're coming through the walls.
I need a reload.
Here.
I need a reload.
Take it. There.
Quick. And we're gonna stop it every. Can we stop it every time?
Man.
Yeah.
Bro,
It's saying the
I'm
zombie
not ready for
apocalypse
this.
is gonna last days or even years. We're gonna have to get used to this.
Yeah, but what if we run out of ammo? Once we run out of ammo, there's this button that says, wait, there's a note. If you want to stop it to reload, you have to go to 100 waves. But if you want to stop it to like hit the crates that give you weapons and stuff, then you have to make sure the wave's over, as stop for a bit, and then make sure
Yeah, but I read
everything
something.
is great.
I found another note, and it said that you had to wait till 100 waves to do that. We're only on 13. I heard a note that says they drop boxes that you can run quickly up here and open, and they can maybe give us some.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
Enough with these notes. It's not Death Note.
I know, but somebody left notes for us. I don't know who. But this was supposed to be a nice summer vacation that went terribly.
yeah, ever since Spider came, you think Spider is all over? Is for this?
Here, I got an
Well,
MRE. I got
wait,
an MRE for whoever wants
Wait,
speed.
be over. I need speed. Alright, can I also have some more ammo quick before my
Give me
speed
your
runs
gun.
out? I did.
Here, take this.
We're running low on revolver ammo.
I got one in my hand. So.
Yeah.
Wonky woo, wonky woo, wonky woo.
Bro, these waves.
Man, I was just planning to sit at home and watch Moana.
Okay, no, get out. La 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 lava, chicken. These are the chicken, yeah, tasty as heck. Ooh, mama.
Helen, we got a new revolver. We got a new revolver.
Crispy, and you think now you're having
Having a snack. Ooh, super spicy. It's a lava. Man, I was gonna watch the Minecraft movie, but I guess our plans are ruined because of this stupid zombie alert.
Wait.
We can't.
Guys,
We have to wait till
pause
level
it.
100.
No. Yes. No, we don't.
Yes.
Oh, this is how I die. This is how I die. This is how I die. Help me.
There's a
Save
secret
me.
little glitch.
Somebody
There's a
save
secret
me.
little glitch.
I'm getting saved. Save me. Somebody, anybody, just save me. I'm getting saved. Somebody save me. Walkie, 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 walkie.
Just a restalker.
Oh wait, I have my grappler.
Guys, I got a shotgun. Somebody use a shotgun. We have tons of ammo. Take the shotgun.
Okay.
No,
How
use
much
the
ammo?
shotgun.
Okay, I'll use.
the night starts this off.
Okay.
It's already full. It was already full, Ryan.
Oh, that's bad news.
I can't believe. Well. So your mom's new brother. So you're a new brother. It's real.
Dang, like,
It's this. I can't.
you're
believe,
our
it's
long lost
really-
brother.
Yeah.
Reload.
Remember, this is our long lost brother, Kellen.
And apparently, I'm really good at
Look,
restocking stuff for people. That's what I was gonna do. Restock shelves in stores. Now I have to do it extremely fast.
1 second. Hey, make sure I don't die. I need to go do some. I'm gonna go. Wait.
Don't take these beautiful zombies that I got, please.
No, don't use the revolver. Just use the shotgun. Hey, I need a.
Where's the shotgun?
Ryan, here's your shotgun. Here's your shotgun, Ryan.
Lava.
No, that's Ryan's.
Hey, I got a reload. I got some more stuff.
There, hit Ryan.
That's right. That's mine.
Dude, we got some shotgun ammo.
Alright, good. We gotta reload.
Okay, guys, I accidentally flew in there. Wonky wonky.
Hey, it's my
Got
line. You don't take my wonky wheel.
I got 2 MREs.
Wonky,
Whoever
wonky
needs
wheel.
them.
I need one.
Is this full?
Okay, gimme. Yeah, no, I need one. You're a good restocker, Kellen, but it's time to. Guys, if I don't make it,
I want to go on Meta Horizon. I'm gonna go on Meta Horizon.
Bro, what you doing? Bro, he's going to the tech tree. I don't know why.
Don't do it. Ryan, you have to fight for us.
Okay, here.
Now.
I know. Oh no.
There.
Nice and peaceful in Meta Horizon.
Get back here, Jackson. I have an MRE for whoever
We have
needs
so many
it.
crates. Don't use it
Guys,
yet.
I found out a secret glitch. You don't have to wait
What is
till wave 100.
This is real life. There is no glitches.
This is literal real life. Something dreaming of something.
We got zombie meat for whoever needs it.
Or did you think of a life hack? You mean a life hack, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, can I please have a revolver?
Sure,
Revolvers
take
are
it
my
and drop your shotgun off. You want a shotgun?
Got some more crates.
There.
Yeah, shotgun's my new child. Frick revolving.
we got a new revolver. Another new revolver. An MRE.
Okay, I have 23K. To save the, oh no, we only have 2 of them. To save money, I'll just use my money to buy them. With the auto.
No, you need to come here. I have some new revolvers and some ammo. I have 2 set rolls of ammo. Actually, 3 rolls of ammo.
That's not enough.
And I have some couple guns, and I have a couple full revolvers, all up here.
Wonky wonky woo, wonky wonky woo.
We need to save your money for the very end.
I have 20K, that's fine. Wonky wonky woo, wonky wonky woo.
Hey, don't take my wonky wonky woo.
Fine, but we're almost out. Hey, if y'all want, I can buy me. I have 20K. You can buy some more revolver.
Go.
That's mine. Stop trying to camp over there, my guys.
Guys, there's an invincible one.
No, there's not. You can't kill them at safe zone.
No, like actually, they can glitch inside
Which one?
safe zone.
We're out of shotgun ammo.
Reload me up. Oh no.
Isn't that obvious?
Ugh! Which one's invincible? Told you, none of them are invincible. You're just... Hey,
I only have 1 revolver
we
ammo
need
left.
backup over.
But
We
2
need backup
full
over here.
Hold up, I got you.
We're officially out of revolver ammo. Only 3 full revolvers left.
Alright, I got some more crate. I got some more. Fine, how about this? I'll be
I just
the
used
crate
some of my money
collector.
to fill this up. Somebody take it.
I'll take it.
Guys, I'll be the crate collector. You just need to kill them.
I'll be the warrior.
Hey, can
Got
you
an
come back
MRE
here?
for whoever needs it. 3 actually. And 2 bags.
Where'd my flashlight go? I need a flashlight.
I got some more. I got a lot more. I got
We're
a lot
not-
more. I need your
We're
help though.
officially not low in
Oh, crap.
MREs. And we're kind of low in zombie meat.
Guys,
We only have 1
I-
zombie meat block left.
Okay, just open those. Open those.
We are officially very not low in MREs. We are stacked up on MREs. So whoever needs to start eating MREs, I suggest doing it.
Help! Hey, I need some MREs.
MRE.
I need to eat some MREs. You know why? Because I'm the collector.
No,
Can I
only
eat
one
a
at a
lot
time.
of them?
I mean, we do have a lot of MREs, but not infinite. And also, if you're low on health, eat
I
an
need-
MRE.
How
There's
about
some back
this?
there.
No, wait. How about
I just need
only
to
the
eat
collector
one
can eat
for
MREs?
food.
Because he needs to be fast. Because he has heavy stuff.
I just had to eat 1 for hunger. 7.
All right, guys.
6. Get ready, guys. About to start again.
I'm loading.
I'm gonna collect up our bags. I got our bags collected up.
Here, Ryan. Ryan, there's another one.
Okay, 1 second. Load it back up.
Hold up. I need to plug out my VR real quick.
Okay. Bro, my headset's at 26, but I'll sit back down and let this.
Take have some.
Can I have some more
Close
MREs?
the screen.
Don't only need
Can I
one.
have 2 MREs real quick? Too late.
Today we figured out more about the strange world of Animal Company.
Yo, let me get
See ya
my
in
music
the
playing real
next
quick.
one. Bye,
I don't have time to
children.
do any music
See
stuff. I
ya
have to
in
keep
the
these.
next one.
Whoever wants
No,
a
I'm gonna play
revolver,
some
a full
music.
one.
I made a closing.
I have a lot of time.
Whoever.
The Eminem
Somebody
playlist.
take this
Go, go, go.
revolver and go kill those. Do it now.
I'm-
Jackson, go out there and kill
I
those.
can't.
Go out there and kill those. Take it. Go and kill those. At the window, not those. The ones at the window. Yeah, but don't do it in safe zone. Go around the side. Go do it. Go. Window, Jackson. The window right there. That thing.
What do you mean,
Go
window?
outside and kill that thing.
I cannot see anything when I'm below that thing.
Bro, don't stop. Keep wasting them. We don't have infinite. Go around and kill that thing. Ryan, can you go around and kill that?
I can't. I'm not that. That's not my dog.
Go out through the back. You can't kill them from in here.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh gosh, you're starting to hurt me. Thanks. I think we're good on those window ones for right now.
My dog's so dangerous.
Imagine mine!
Yeah. But mine is like really dangerous. Yours
Mine
is the
isn't
most
very
dangerous.
dangerous, but it's really hard. Like mine, you have to like zoom through all of them so they don't respawn.
Ryan, you need 2 grapplers.
Mine doesn't seem like it gets you like tired, but like it's like you have to like run through all of these. Cause look, my
Yeah,
job you have
it's
to unbox
tiring,
all of these things, get them all in their places.
Guys, y'all are literally so lucky. I'm listening to Eminem playlist. That's my little grinding song. My walking. Actually, I'm a warrior and a collector.
I got a grappler up. I got a grappler.
This makes me want to
Hey,
shoot
stop.
zombies. Oh, we're stacked. We're stacked. Give me one.
Here's a loaded.
Give me a loaded one. And then
Go out. Go kill them.
we're getting. I need one.
I need a grappler. I need a grappler.
I got a loaded revolver. Oh, bro, got an RPG. Don't shoot it out here.
Shoot at them.
Don't use RPGs. Please don't. Please don't use RPGs. It unorganizes all my stuff. Please don't use RPGs.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. I didn't know. I'm sorry. I'm just like lost in right now.
Gotta get the MREs. Anybody need MREs? We've got 3 of them. Got an RPG. Because if you want to use RPGs, you have to use them far outside. You have to leave the monsters
Put me in the
outside with an
eyeball.
RPG.
Well, I only have 10K. Oh.
Okay, take whatever you need.
Alright, reload. Reload. Cause I like the way it hurts. I just want you standing, baby.
Go, grab one.
Bro, I need a reload, quick.
collector. Ryan, you're the warrior.
Okay.
I'm a crate collector.
You're lucky. Yeah, that's why you're lucky that I'm listening to Eminem.
Actually, nah, I'm gonna be a warrior.
I'm both. Same.
And I'm
No,
restocker.
Ryan,
I'm
we're both
master
crate
restocker.
collector and warrior because
Yeah.
we need
All right,
to,
guys.
This is
I'm listening to Eminem. I need a reload right now.
which one? Which for what?
Guys, I'm locked in. I need a reload.
Revolver here.
I need. Oh yes, yes.
I think so. Yeah.
Yes.
Go out
If
there.
you have one dream.
Is this filled up?
One opportunity. Yeah. It's beat this. Oh, it only had one left.
I got a full revolver now. I just reloaded it.
Good. This song literally goes great with me right now.
I'll give you some ammo in one of these. Can somebody bring a flashlight up here? I need a flashlight stock.
You know what?
Just in case-
I
A dual what?
think I need a dual one. I need a dual one.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it restocked.
Take this flashlight. Just like, hold up.
Dual what?
I'll put it right up.
I need dual. I need dual. I need dual. I need dual.
Two?
I need dual. I need a dual revolver. Dual. Two.
Okay, I'm loading it up with those.
Two. I will get more crates. Oh crap. The world is vaping? Is that what it just said?
Anybody need a glow stick flashlight? I have a glow stick for you.
Here you go, here you go. Oh,
Here. It's the glow
I need
stick.
a glow stick. Need to plug it in here.
Okay, bye.
guys, I have 1 minute in VR. I have to go.
Sure. Guys, should we
Will
load
you
our
call me
backpacks
in
full
real
of all
life?
this stuff, or should we just do it again next time?
Huh? No, just load it up.
You guys stock it. I'll open the crates. Ryan, we need this in a bag. Can somebody pass me a
I'm
bag?
out.
Here, I got one of my bags.
Somebody load up this revolver and this ammo.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Yeah, we got everything.
Here, take it. I got it back.
Put it in
Alright,
here.
guys.
Put it in here. Put
Guys,
it in here.
I gotta. Guys, wait.
Okay, bye,
I'm
guys.
out of time. I gotta go. That's everything I have.
Ryan, can you accept my friend request?
On what? My
Bye,
headset's
guys.
restarted.
Roblox.
I'm out of.
What?